Are you tired of spending a fortune just to keep your car on the road? Whether you're a student, a first-time buyer, or just looking to cut costs, this video is for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 cheapest cars to maintain in South Africa in 2025, based on real-world parts availability, fuel consumption, and service costs. Let's dive in. Number 5 is the Renault Kwid 1.0 Expression. It may be small, but it's big on savings. With a 1.0-liter engine and an average fuel consumption of just 4.7 liters per 100 kilometers, it's one of the most fuel-efficient petrol cars in SA. The Kwid service parts, like air filters, brake pads, and spark plugs, are affordable and widely available. Routine services cost around $1,200 at independent garages, and insurance is also relatively cheap. Coming in at number 4 is the Suzuki S-Presso 1 gallon. This compact hatch with a crossover look is ultra-light on fuel, just 4.9 liters per 100 kilometers. The 1.0-liter engine is simple and affordable to maintain. Brake pads go for as little as 350 rands, oil filters under 100 rands, and minor services will set you back about 1,000 to 1,500 rands depending on the garage. It's perfect for daily driving in the city. In third place is the Toyota Starlet 1.5 She. It offers more space without much higher costs. Sharing components with the Suzuki Baleno keeps its parts cheap and accessible. Minor services cost around 1,000 rands, and Toyota's strong brand in South Africa means better resale value and lower long-term insurance premiums. Number 2 on our list is a South African favorite, the VW Polo Vivo 1.4 Trendline. Locally built, the availability of parts is excellent. Basic services cost between 1,200 rands and 1,800 rands, and common parts are in stock everywhere, from brake discs to spark plugs. Insurance premiums are fair, and nearly every mechanic in the country knows how to work on a Polo Vivo. And at number 1, we got the legendary Toyota Corolla Quest 1.8. It might not be the cheapest up front, but it's incredibly reliable and cheap to maintain long-term. Minor services cost as low as 1,500 rands, and the engine is known to last well over 300,000 kilometers. Many taxi operators swear by it because it's tough, simple, and easy to fix. So there you have it, 5 cars that won't destroy your wallet. Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more South African car content.